Hello guys, this is Hagebunshin here, aka Pablo, as you guys know. Today what I wanted to do is a small video regarding how to open Famicom games. I've seen a couple of videos on the internet today, and I really think that the guys who were actually explaining were using pretty much like difficult techniques of how to open them, and finally ended up breaking some of the parts that actually get them all together. So what I'm going to do today is that I'm going to go grab a couple of games and teach you about the pressure points that you should have in mind before opening the cartridge. Buenas señores, Hagebunshin. En el video pues que voy a hacer hoy quería enseñarles cómo abrir juegos de Famicom. He visto pues varios videos en internet en estos días y pues la verdad no son muy buenos que digamos. Muchos terminaban quebrando las patillas que unían a los cartuchos. Las patillas que vienen al lado derecho e izquierdo del cartucho, para ser más exactos. Entonces les voy a enseñar un poquito acerca de cómo poder abrir los cartuchos sin que se dañen. ¿Listo? Entonces vamos allá. Okay guys, let's start with the disassembly of the cartridge. I would like to show you here a cartridge that I have opened just before. This is a Kirby game, as you can see, and what I want you to know is that these tabs over here come from the top of the case and snap in the back of the case. So what I would like you to do is to create a momentum, pulling this side downwards and the back side upwards, so you can actually create the momentum to snap it out like this. Snap it like this. Okay? I'm gonna use Baltron here, and I would like to try to, like as I told you, the front part you will put it downwards, and the back part you'll pull it upwards, so you can create the momentum to open the cartridge. Here we go. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of strength on the sides here. Okay, that wasn't that difficult. So as you can see, I have popped the first one out. Let me focus a little bit. Sometimes this doesn't really want to focus really well. So as you can see, we have opened our cartridge. The next thing we have to do is the same but backwards. You know, the thing snaps in here. You can see the shape of the thing that it's holding the cartridge in place, and you pull that downwards, and then there you go. You are pretty much halfway through it. Be careful because these things are not really that secured. And then you start, as you know, the top of the cartridge is here. Let's focus again, and let's try to get it out. Okay, that wasn't that bad, right? So there you go, how to open a Famicom game. I was going to say Super Famicom. That was really bad for me. And there you go. And after you can do that, then you can start cleaning your Famicom cartridges. Or if someone wants to do repros, then you can actually start doing your repro modification if you want. There you go. Baltron, easy to open Famicom games. Good night, sir. Good night, guys. And, well, as you guys can see, I'm playing Rockman, the Wheelie Wars. Not really on the Sega Genesis, because I don't have a Genesis. And I don't have the game in Genesis, but in my modded... Yes, there you go. That's my modded Xbox. Okay, guys. See you guys next time. And remember, if you like my channel and you like what I do, just subscribe and leave a message, or leave some hating in the comment below. Bye bye. Buenas señores, gracias por ver el video. Si necesitan más información acerca de cómo abrir cartuchos de Famicom, o tienen alguna duda, me preguntan por Facebook, dejan un comentario en los comentarios de abajo, valga la redundancia. Y pues no, muchas gracias a todos. Un saludo pues para los grupos, Cazadores de Beats, Retro Club, Retro Hunters, cualquiera, pues es la misma joda. Y pues me parece que que los grupos han avanzado mucho desde la creación hace cerca de, ¿qué? 2 años más o menos lleva eso. 2 años. Buena cantidad de gente, buenas ventas. He vendido muy bien, he conseguido muchos juegos americanos que quería. Y pues espero poder incrementar más mi colección gracias a ustedes. Muchas gracias por todo. Y recuerden que, no sé, ¿sabe qué? Todo bien, todo bonito, solo nacional a morir. ¿Sabe qué? Solo nacional, juiciosos. Un 3-0 hoy con la ayuda de Dios. Pedamos al Señor que solo verde a morir. Somos de los mejores. Y todo bien. Hablamos.